Hundreds of Matatiele residents celebrated the Freedom Day at a rally held in North End Stadium. The municipality, which falls under the Eastern Cape since 2005, is divided over the allegiance to the province, with the Maluti Matatiele Mass Action Committee taking the issue to the Constitutional Court. In an anonymous judgment delivered by Justice Blessing Kabinde in February 2010, the Constitutional Court dismissed an application by the Poverty Alleviation Network, 13th Amendment Act 2007, but Alfred Nzo Executive Mayor Gcinekaya Mpumza says it's good to exercise the right for which great freedom fighters fought for, but has warned people to avoid being taken advantage of by people with personal interests. He was referring to the issue of Matatiele boundary.
The local municipality has been demarcated into the Eastern Cape, and that matter is sealed. Yes, we may debate the issue of wanting to go to KwaZulu-Natal, and we must clearly understand that the issue of boundaries, physically there are no boundaries. Boundaries reside in the mind of a person. So they are using it to further attain their own personal interest. But the people of Matatiele, they know that in Inkosi and everybody that they are in the Eastern Cape.
Provincial Art and Culture MEC Tom says the unavailability of land is a huge challenge that the government is working on.
There are instances where government intervened on the land issue, redistributing the land that was taken forcefully from people. So, and what is happening now is that there is that process. That process is very slow, and government has realized this. And the issue of buying land from those people who own it, those people who sell it with exorbitant prices, I think this is what government is looking into now.
Chief Thandutolo Magadla says freedom will be fully accomplished if the government would consider investing more on agriculture.
If the government can plow the money to the agricultural equipment, so that we, the traditional leaders in our areas, we plow maize, we develop the livestock, I think the development can progress.
The issue of land and economy still pose a great challenge in developing rural communities. Many people still believe that eradication of poverty will be attainment of full freedom for their people. Kumla Nyembezi, SABC News, Matatiele in the Eastern Cape.